I'm saying is that the triggers today are little fires that are started. And so you put the fire out, but you didn't catch the guy who's starting the fires, which is the references and the memories. So smart now, tap when it bothers you. If you forgot to tap when it bothered you, after you should have tapped, you go back and you clean it up to where you change your reaction, change how you represent it, and then you want to do an ecology check. What memories in my mind is driving my behavior? You change those, you adjust you change you. It's many folds to this operating system because I'm actually teaching you how to be wise. I'm teaching you how to operate in a world of craziness. I don't know if you notice this, Crystal. You know this. The older you get, more shit happens. You know, people die, children move, things happen, jobs change, move, whatever. You have to have the ability to change in the moment and not take any negative souvenirs home.
Wow, that's so true.